Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make the best peanut butter fudge ever. When it comes to peanut butter fudge, I feel like it's all over the map. I have had some really grainy fudges, and that is no good. When it comes to a creamy, smooth, melt-in-your-mouth fudge, I'm telling you the secret ingredient is sweetened condensed milk. This stuff right here makes the smoothest, creamiest fudge you've ever had. Not only does it make the best fudge, it's also really easy to make. It's so easy, I bet even one of my kids could do it. Kids!
Yeah, Mom?
Want to make some fudge?
Sure.
Let's do this. But first, I think you're gonna need a stool. Much better. To start, you're gonna need an 8x8 pan, and you're gonna wanna line it with a little bit of parchment paper. This will make it a lot easier to get your fudge out once it's set. First, you'll need 12 ounces of white chocolate. Now, you can use white chocolate chips, but we just chopped up some of those little melting wafer things that come in like a big brick. Then you're gonna pour in 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, which is probably one of the most delicious raw ingredients known to man. Just don't try licking the can with your tongue because it has sharp edges. Then you're gonna put in half a cup of creamy peanut butter, and this is probably the hardest part because you have to scoop it out of the measuring cup. Now, you can actually fold in whole peanuts into this if you want it to have that crunchy little bite, but I like mine smooth and creamy, so I'm using creamy peanut butter, but you could also use chunky peanut butter if you roll that way. Last, you'll need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And that's it, well, as far as ingredients go. Next, we're gonna take this and pop it into the microwave. Go ahead and move your stool on over to the microwave. We're gonna microwave this on high for 30 seconds at a time. 3, 0, start. Every 30 seconds, you'll need to pull it out of the microwave and give it a stir with a rubber spatula. Just go ahead and scrape along the bottoms and sides and give it a quick stir. You want to repeat this process until everything is smooth and creamy. It's important to make sure that everything is completely melted. See how it's nice and smooth with no chunks? That's exactly what we're looking for. And it only took us about 1 minute and 30 seconds in the microwave to get there. Next, we're gonna pour this all into our prepared pan. Just pour it all into the pan, and we can even use the rubber spatula to scrape it all out. All that's left to do is to pop this in the fridge for about 2 hours until it's completely chilled and set up. Then you just cut it into pieces and serve. This fudge will stay good in the fridge for about 3 weeks. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.